Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mario Kart 8 Deluxe with 2 players. First, ensure you have 2 controllers connected to your Nintendo Switch. From the main menu, simply select the 2-player option. This will allow you and a friend to race head-to-head. Next, you can choose your desired racing mode, such as Grand Prix for a series of races or a quick versus race. It's a straightforward process to get started. For controller options, each player can comfortably use a single Joy-Con controller held sideways. This is a popular and easy method. If you prefer, you can also use a Nintendo Switch Pro controller or a Joy-Con grip for a more traditional feel. Just make sure both controllers are properly synced and have sufficient battery life for uninterrupted racing fun. Now for the fun part, choosing your character and kart. Each player will select their favorite racer from the wide variety available. After that, you can customize your vehicle. Pick from various kart bodies, different types of tires, and unique gliders. Experiment with these combinations to find the perfect balance of speed and handling that suits your racing style. Once your characters and karts are ready, it's time to hit the track. Choose your desired cup or a specific track to start the competition. Remember to use the various items you collect strategically to gain an advantage over your opponent. Enjoy the thrill of racing side by side in split-screen mode, battling for first place. Have a fantastic time playing with your friend.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.